Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just did Black Friday shopping. I literally just came back. It's 7:17 a.m. So I went out of the house at 6 p.m. and got back at 7 a.m. So it's been like 12-13 hours of shopping and I'm pretty exhausted. But yeah, I bought some stuff, so I thought I would share. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start with Champion. So Champion didn't really have that much sale, but I was like, I'm just gonna get some stuff because that's all I wear in college, like Champion sweatpants and sweatshirts. So I was like, might as well get them. So the first thing I got is this gray t-shirt. It's just plain gray. The logo itself is gray, but the sleeve has like the color Champion logo. And I got it in size large. This is actually for my friend for Christmas gift, and yeah, if you're watching this is for you, so yeah, you know what you're getting. Next Champion thing I got is this blue sweatshirt. The logo is in white, and of course on the sleeve it has the logo. It's just navy blue. I really like it, and I got it in size medium. I love the oversized fit. By the way, this has fleece in it, so it's like the extra warm one. And yeah, I also got sweatpants from Champion. Just looks like this, dark gray, and it's the joggers. It's actually men's small, but it fits me perfect because I guess like lengthwise it just works out because I'm really tall. And the waist, you just roll it like this and it could fit, so yeah, I'm fine with that. I really like this color and like the fit, so I should have bought more, but I was too lazy to like stand in line, so I was just like, whatever. Next up, I went to Nike and I only got one thing. I bought this gray sweatshirt. It's just really nice. It's like nice and it was on sale for $35, I believe, so I thought I had to cop. And yeah, as you can see, I'm like really into sweatpants and sweatshirts. College changes you, like you just get lazier. I just, yeah. And also I'm going through this like dark color phase right now, gray and navy and black. I don't know what's happening. Alright, so the next store I went to is Pandora, and I'm actually wearing it right now, so it looks like this. So this ring is called a droplet ring, and they were having extra 35% off of it, like entire store basically. And it's just like really simple. I got in rose gold, size 6, and yeah, it's had like little beads on the ring around it, but yeah, it's really nice and it's cute. I went to American Eagles and I bought two things. Please do not be shocked. I bought two boxers. One is like the tight-fitting boxer. It's apparently called boxer brief, and I got a size medium for my friend. And this one is like the normal boxer, like the loose-fitting one. It was really weird shopping for boxers. I've never done it before. Next up, I went to H&M, which is like one of my favorite stores, and I just got these plaid pants. It's super nice. It's super long. It makes your legs really long. The waist is like elasticy. Last purchase that I've made today is something that I've been eyeing it for so long, and I feel like I found the right one. I bought a teddy bear coat. It looks like this. It's actually on a darker brown color, and I really like it. Like, I don't like the light brown teddy bear coats. I've been seeing it everywhere. I just don't like it. This coat was around $48. I think it's not too bad, and it's like actually like good quality. It doesn't shed, and it feels pretty sturdy. I think I'm gonna wear this to New York. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I'm really proud of this purchase. Alright, so that is all I got from Black Friday. I hope you liked it. I plan on shopping on Cyber Monday, but we'll see how that goes. If I do, I'll create another video, but yeah. I'm sorry I look like a mess. I'm literally going to sleep right now, so good night world, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!